अल्दोना कोमनिदाद जमनीचेर चालू आशिल्लें काम पुरायपणान बेकायदेशीर आसा अशें म्हूण ह्या कामाक थळावे कोमनिदाद समिती हरकत घेतल्या। ह्या विशीं कायदेशीर कारवाय करून बांदकाम मोडून उडोवपाची शिटकावणी कोमनिदाद समितीचो अध्यक्ष मेल्विन फर्नांडिसान दिल्या।
The illegal construction was going on in full swing at Calvin. That is a ground given by the Communidade, but mentioned there you cannot change the title of the land. It was surprising to see that fraudulently the name has been changed and put as Saint Dominic Savio Sports Club. Leaving this aside, there are no permissions from any authority, so we have stopped the work and asked for explanation with permissions, what permissions they have. Till date we have not received anything, so we have gone further. We were shocked to see, all the Gaonkars and the committee was shocked to see full swing bungalows are going on, construction of bungalows, compound walls, and the main thing is a police is involved where he has encroached on our land. To stop this, not only stop this, we are going to demolish each and every structure, not only the structure, wherever encroachment is there, we are going to stop these illegalities, and we are fed up going to any government authorities like police, Mamledar, BDO or Panchayat. Main thing, Panchayat is involved in this.